Hello class 10. Let us continue with our chapter 5. Last class we have learned till the development of science and technology in Bengal or in India. There we have completed with the establishment of the Indian Association for the Cultivation of Sciences or IACS and the Calcutta Science College or the Rajabazar Science College. Today we are continue more about the development of science and technology in Bengal or in India. You can see the important points written on the board regarding the development of science and technology in Bengal. First one is the establishment of the IACS in 1876 by Dr. Mahendralal Sarkar, who is also known as the father of the study of modern science in India. Related to the IACS, we have learnt about the eminent teachers like Acharya Jagdish Chandra Bose, Sir C.V. Raman, Satyendranath Bose, etc. Then we have learnt about the establishment of the Calcutta Science College in 1914 by Sir Ashutosh Mukherjee along with Rashbihari Ghosh and Taraknath Paley. Today we are going to learn further in this regard. We'll learn about the Bose Institute established by Acharya Jagdish Chandra Bose in 1917, where we will learn about his invention of the crescograph machine and the discovery of the vaccine of cholera. We will know about Meghnad Saha and nuclear physics, also about P.C. Mahalanobis and Indian Statistical Institute. Next, we will move forward with the establishment of the National Council of Education in 1906, which was founded against the University Act of 1904. So, I'll be giving you notes on Bose Institute and the others. Now, first, let us write about note on Bose Institute of Sciences or Bosu Bigyan Mandir. First point, it is a research institute established in 1917 by Acharya Jagdish Chandra Bose. Second point, the main objective of this institute was to study both life and non-life sciences. Acharya J.C. Bose had contributed a lot in the researches related to electromagnetism and paramagnetic compounds. Next, the institute provides facilities for researches in subjects like physics, chemistry, physiology, microbiology, environment science, etc. Next point. The most important discovery of Bose Institute of Science was the discovery of vaccine of cholera and also the discovery of phosphate cycle in plants. Dr. Bose invented the crescograph machine to prove the life of trees. Last point, the Bose Institute of Science had made unparalleled contributions in the fields of biology and microbiology in India since its inception. Next, there are two eminent personalities. They come as short and very short type question. We know about Dr. Meghnad Saha. He was a space scientist. He established the Institute of Nuclear Physics in Calcutta, known as Saha Institute of Nuclear Physics. And also about P.C. Mahalanobis, who established the Indian Institute of Statistical Sciences in Calcutta, which is presently known as Indian Statistical Institute or ISI. Now another important topic, that is National Council of Education or NCE in short. Now National Council of Education, by its name itself, you can understand that it was a fully nationalized attempt by the Indians regarding the development of education. Now why was the need for this? Because it was during the anti-partition time, the Swadeshi movement period in 1904, when the partition of Bengal was being formulated. During that time, Lord Curzon was the Governor General, and he had this motive in his mind to crush the feeling of nationalism among the Indians. So he had passed the University Act in 1904 in order to keep control, total control in the education system. Now, for the National Council of Education, let us start the points. The Indian educationists became aware of the defects of the colonial education system. They opted for the introduction of technical and scientific knowledge for the progress of the nation. With this view in mind, the NCE and Bengal Technical Institute were set up. Lord Curzon introduced the University Act in 1904 to curb down the autonomy of the Calcutta University, which highly disturbed the nationalist educationists. They thought of establishing an education system by and for the Indians, over which the Indians would have the full control. The objectives behind were, number A, to challenge the British control over India's education system. Number B, to keep people's education in the hands of concerned people. And number C, to create national awareness and offer education to the masses of Bengal. Let us continue with the points. The idea of national education was decided finally in a meeting at Park Street in 1905, attended by eminent educationists including Rabindranath Tagore. The NCE was then established in 1906 with Sir Rashbihari Ghosh as its first president. The role of NCE in development of technical education in Bengal is noteworthy. The Bengal National College and Bengal Technical Institute was set up along with the National School. The curriculum was set up for 3 years for primary, 7 years for secondary and 4 years collegiate course. However, the NCE's activities were limited mostly to Calcutta, and development of education in districts was neglected. So under NCE, the Bengal Technical Institute was also set up, but there was a dispute. Let us see. Next heading will be Bengal Technical Institute. First point under this, a split between the members of NCE occurred when two different opinions regarding method of instruction developed. The group which favored technical education with scientific teaching set up a separate institution named Society for Promotion of Technical Education, or SPTE. The SPTE, under the guidance of Taraknath Palit, founded the Bengal Technical Institute in 1906. Presently, this institute is known as Jadavpur Engineering College. However, Bengal National College and BTI were merged in 1910. The study of chemical engineering was started first in BTI. Now, BTI is the short form of Bengal Technical Institute. In the post-independent period, the NCE was converted into Jadavpur University with the enactment of Jadavpur University Act in 1955. Now, students, this point is very much important, mostly comes in the objective question.